Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we are going to be learning how you can easily create a ProRealTime account. So in order to do that, first of all, download and install the ProRealTime app on your mobile device and launch it open. After you do that, you'll end up in the home page of ProRealTime. Go to the top right corner and tap on the login button. Now, if you don't have an account yet, tap on Create a Free Account at the top of the screen under New User. You can create an account by signing up with an email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you don't want to create an account and start without creating an account, you can also do that by tapping on Continue without an account at the bottom. Since we are creating an account today, I'm going to tap on Sign up with an email at the top. If you have done the same, on the next page, you need to go enter a valid email address of yours. After typing down the email, go to the password box and then type in your password you want to set for the account. Once you are done, click on Sign Up. On the next page, you'll need to register yourself. Go ahead and enter your first and last name, enter the year of birth and your country's name, and select Yes under I have read the general terms. If you want to receive newsletters from ProRealTime, click on Yes in the next row. If not, tap on No and finally click Sign Up. Now on the next page, you'll need to declare if you are a professional or non-professional and then tap on Sign Up once again. On the next page, you'll need to verify your provided email. Go open up your email inbox for the code and open the email from ProRealTime. After you do that, you'll receive a code inside it. Copy that code, get back to the ProRealTime app and paste in the code. Now click Sign Up. Once you are done verifying your email, you'll be able to get inside the home page of ProRealTime, this time with your account. Now that way you have successfully created a new account on ProRealTime. Once your account is verified, you can browse charts and indicators, set up watch list, practice in demo mode before trading with real money. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.